Hi, today I am thrilled to share a tech preview of Serverpod 4, the first agentic coding engine that hot reloads your full stack and can run locally on your computer. If you're a developer, this will forever change the way you think about building apps. We're finally closing the loop between your app's output, the backend, and your AI agent. Here is what makes Serverpod 4 radically different. Sub-second stateful hot reload across the server, database, web, and app. Everything is wired up to your favorite AI agent through a tried and tested MCP server and skills. We've added an embedded Postgres database. There's no need for a complex setup or Docker containers. Everything just works. You can literally see your app evolving as the agent works. No recompilation, no restart, no wait. Serverpod 4 runs locally on your computer, and with Flutter for the front end, your app runs at native speed on any platform. And did I say that it's all free and open source? Let's dive right into a demo, and I'll show you Serverpod 4 in action. This is still work in progress, so things will be a little bit more streamlined and polished at the stable release, but I think this will still blow your mind. First, we'll set up the new project. We're using the Serverpod create command. The create command will guide you through the setup process. We are going to use all the default settings, just choose the agentic code editor we plan to use. I'm using Cursor, but Serverpod works with pretty much any agent. For this demo, we're going to start by building a simple to-do app. Now, the create command will set up our full environment, configuring MCP servers and skills. With the project created, let's open it up in our editor. Everything is configured for us out of the box. The only thing we need to do is run Serverpod start. Serverpod start will not just start a server, it will also start and manage our Flutter app. We made a really pretty interface for it, and the events and logs from the server are very easy to read. We're now set up with the server, and the app is up and running. All we have to do is tell our agent what we want to build. Let's build a to-do app. Here, I'm using the Composer model, one of the fastest and least expensive models. Even with this lower tier model, we get really good, consistent results. I'll take a minute for it to finish working. When it's done, the app automatically hot reloads. No need to restart, no wait for a recompile. It just works. Let's try out our new app. We're signing in with our email. When running locally, the verification code is written to the console. So let's copy that and sign in. All right, we're in. Next, let's add a to-do. I'm going to build a to-do app, and I'm going to create a demo video for it. As we add items, we can see that a to-do.createToDo method on the server is being called. When we check off an item, the toggle to do method is called. A really cool feature is the ability for the AI agent to test our app. We're just going to ask it to test the app. The agent will put in code for doing automations and start exploring the app. We can see that it adds a new to-do item for us, and it ends by giving us a full report of what's been tested. But this is where the real magic begins. We can make changes to our app and the backend while it's running. Here, I'm thinking the color scheme didn't quite work out on the first try, so let's fix that. Let's make something fun, like a retro arcade feel. I'll use this prompt. Change the theme to 8-bit arcade style with dark blue background, neon colors, and blocky fonts. This is a somewhat large change, so it may take a minute for it to complete. While the agent is working, we can see the changes taking effect in real time. And wow, that's a different look. Let's face it, Flutter has had hot reload for years. This isn't really new. What's cool with this setup is that it's not just the app we can edit in real time, it's the full stack. Let's add a feature that requires a change to the backend too. We're going to place the to-do items in a 2x2 Eisenhower grid. Not important to important, and not urgent to urgent. Let's submit the prompt. After a bit of crunching, we have our new Eisenhower matrix up and running. This change did not just require changes to the front end of our app, it also required changes to the database and the backend. Serverpod can hot reload all these parts, and we can test the app with the full backend without even restarting the server or the app. Thanks to the skills we bundle with the project, the agent understands when and how to create and apply migrations to the database. Internally at Serverpod, we've been working with this setup for the past month, and it's amazing to see how much of a boost in productivity it provides. What's awesome with Serverpod and Flutter is that the apps we build aren't just web apps, even though you can do that too. You can create real apps running at native performance. They can integrate easily with native code and UI components. Even though this was a vibe-coded demo, Serverpod is not a toy. It's used worldwide by app agencies, banks, in the medical industry, and even by governments. If you want to be among the very first to try out the new Serverpod 4 workflow, make sure to join us on Discord, as we'll make the first announcements there. I can't wait to see what you will build with these amazing new tools.